Are you in need of some free money? I'm talking about money that you will not have to pay back. Whether you're going through financial hardships, looking for rental assistance, or just even looking for some funding so that you can grow or expand your business, this video is for you. I took some time to gather some resources to help so many of us who are struggling, especially coming up on this holiday season, who are in need of some financial funding and assistance, but don't want to take out loans. So we're going to go through a couple of different websites and places that you can go in order to get some free money. What's up, money makers? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Diamond Chanel, and we talk about all things money. What is better than having some free cash? I try to gather as many resources as possible that can help a variety of different situations that you might find yourself in right now. So we're just gonna go ahead and jump into the information. I won't keep you long. I'll be showing you 7 different resources that I found. Now, this will not be in any particular order. These resources are going to be for individuals as well as people who are self-employed and small businesses. Our first resource is going to come from benefits.gov, which is an official website of the US government. This website has a bunch of different programs for those that are in financial crisis. The first one we're going to show you is the Low-Income Home Energy Assistance Program, which helps eligible low-income households that are currently in a financial energy crisis and needs assistance. So in order to be eligible, you must prove that you are low income and that you are indeed in a financial crisis. Now, if you are already a part of programs such as SNAP, SSI, then you will automatically be eligible for this. In order to be eligible, you must qualify to the maximum cap of annual household income before taxes, and you can view this table. So if you're a household size of 1, you must only be making $21,000 a year. For a household of 8, you must be making $75,000 a year in order to be eligible. Now, if this is something that applies to you and that you're interested in, you can go ahead and call this number that is on the screen, or you can even contact this email. Our second resource is going to be from the same site, and it's going to be for disaster assistance. So this is for individuals who have been financially impacted by a natural disaster, especially when the federal government has declared that area a disaster area. Since this is a tax program, there's 2 ways that you can deduct casualty losses. The first is going to be on the return in the year that the disaster happened. The second is going to be in the loss of the year prior to the disaster. Now, if you need to know if you live in a disaster zone, you can go to the FEMA website and check to see if your area, your city, has been listed and declared as a federal disaster area. The third resource is offering up to $4,000 in free money from the NASE, which is the National Association for the Self-Employed. So if you are somebody who owns your own business, or you are just considered self-employed, you could be earning $4,000 in grant money, which is money that you do not have to pay back. The NASE is known for giving out grants to be used for your marketing, advertisement, for payroll, or whatever else that you may need to get your small business growing or going. If you hurry up and submit an application between now and December, your application is going to be reviewed by January. You have to be able to have identifiable business needs. You must detail the use of the proceeds. So what are you going to use the grant for? And you have to explain the potential impact that the grant will have on your overall business when you are submitting a claim. So that means that you're going to have to submit a business plan. Now, this could be a 1-pager to describe your business, your target audience, and what you intend to use those funds for. Submit that and then wait until January for your application to be reviewed. Resource number 4 is up to $10,000 worth of free money from Verizon. And this is going to be for small businesses. Not only can you receive the $10,000 grant, but also free coaching and free courses to help you develop your business. Now, you have until December 20th, 2023 in order to apply. So you want to make sure that you apply immediately. The way that this works is you're going to have to set up a portal, and there are a few requirements for you to be eligible for the grant. You need to complete 2 courses, either attend a live event or simply sign up for one-on-one coaching. And again, if you are a small business owner, this is going to be a great opportunity to get someone to look over your business for free and to earn $10,000 for doing so. So as you can see, I went ahead and created a portal, and I'm going to apply myself. And the courses are not that long. You only have to take 2 of them, which might total up to maybe an hour. And then you either sign up for one-on-one coaching that's free, or you could simply attend one of these live events. So these events are going to take place December 7th, November 9th, November 16th, and a little bit later on in December. Now you need to get all of that done by December 20th. And then you will be eligible for that $10,000 grant. Pause for just one moment. If you're someone that is always looking for different ways to grow your business or to create more streams of income, then you are in the right place. Make sure that you like this video and that you hit subscribe so that I can continuously bring you some more money-making opportunities. Okay, back into the video. This next resource are for any individuals who are receiving Social Security, Supplementary Security Income, VA, or other federal benefit payments. Now, even though this is not getting additional money, but this is helping any of you who are getting government assistance already be able to obtain that money in cash a lot quicker. So you can enroll for this prepaid debit card that's going to offer convenience and security, and it's a good option for federal benefit recipients to receive their benefits electronically. Now, if you want to apply, you can go ahead and call this number that's on the screen, or you can go to godirect.gov. The next grant opportunity is from the Freed Fellowship. So they're giving out a small business grant that can actually help you earn up to $3,000. Let me break it down. So every single month, they give away $500 in grant to small business owners with absolutely no strings attached, just so that you can invest into your current business. And then I'm going to tell you where that $2,500 can come in. When you submit your application, they're going to be looking for this 5C framework, which they consider context. Why is your market in favor? Content. What's your compelling core narrative? Community, have you found or created a community? Chemistry, have you found your special sauce? And then commerce, how are you actually making your money? So they're going to give you overall feedback and recommendations to help you grow your business. And once you go ahead and hit apply, this is how it's all going to work. You'll be able to get that $500 with no strings attached, meaning that you don't have to pay it back. You also get a one-on-one strategy session, and you're also eligible for an additional $2,500 grant by the end of the year. Our next opportunity is coming from the Boundless Future Foundation. This is a grant for women in business who are eligible to earn $25,000 of grant money. You have to submit your application before December 31st, 2023. So if you are a lady with a business, you need to go ahead and apply for this grant. They just want you to be a female entrepreneur who has a mission-aligned organization and who promises not to discriminate, harass, or promote harmful, divisive content through their work publicly, through social media, or any other forms of outlet. So if that sounds like you, if you have a brand or a business or organization that is very inclusive and that is all about diversity and promoting a safe space, then you definitely need to go ahead and apply for this before December 31st. Now, all businesses must be registered in the United States, and the guarantees, which are you, must live and work in the United States as well in order to be eligible. And that is pretty much it. And each recipient can receive up to $25,000 worth of grant money. So this is not just for one person who wins that money. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit that like button. Now in the comment section below, please let me know, what are your financial needs? What other money topics would you like to hear from me on this channel? Before you go, make sure that you check out this video here and this video here, because they're going to give you some more money making tips. Okay, I'll see you all in the next one.